Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw some happy ice cream. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go straight across. So right here, you just want to draw a little line that's just going to go straight across. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, over, and then back up. So just kind of go down, over, and then just go back up like this. And I kind of put these at a little bit of an angle. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and then another one that goes down. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes across. Now, starting here, I'm going to just make a big line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to go in like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, but I'm just going to add a big curve. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and kind of go like this. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and that's just going to kind of curve down to here. Now, we want to make this kind of happy looking. So I'm going to start off right here, and I'm just going to color in a black dot for one eye. And then over here, I'm going to make it kind of like a winky face. So I'm going to make a little line like this, and then a little line like this. And then I'm going to give it a nice little smile right here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down, and then another little line that goes down here. And then I'm just going to draw a little line like this for the foot, and then another one right over here. Then right here, I'm going to add a little line out for an arm, and then another little line right here. And I'm just going to add a few little fingers onto each arm. And there you go. There is your drawing of some happy ice cream. Now, there's definitely more you can do. You can add sprinkles and everything. And I'm just going to color those sprinkles in. I'm not going to trace them in marker because I want them to be really nice and bright. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.